Okay, so we are in Austria. This is Aprilia Tuono. This is a 457 A2 bike. What a road! So in the UK, just over £6,000 for this 47 horsepower A2 bike. What's interesting is that Aprilia have kind of seen the rule book and gone, okay, what's the limit? What can we do? We could do 47 horsepower, okay, so that's what we'll go with. That's the maximum power. What's the maximum torque? That's what we'll have. What's the minimum weight? Which is 170, I think it's 174 or 175 wet. And that's what Aprilia have given us. So it's right on the maximum power and torque and the minimum weight of any A2 bike. Nice. And the engine is the same that you'll find in the RS, so it's the parallel twin 47 horsepower. Familiar Tuono styling. Similar familiar switch gear with multiple rider modes. We've got ABS, we've got traction control. I've turned the traction off at the moment just because it's perfectly dry. ABS is still on, and I'm just short shifting and having a little bit of fun here in Austria. The tyres, interestingly, are Aprilia branded and they're made in India to Aprilia specification, and they're working really well, to be fair. Should we add a bit of traction? So I can add traction and remove it on the fly. I can change rider modes, that's on the right hand side. Let's get around this hairpin. Oh, bit of grass. That's done this side. Eco, rain. And what else we got? Sport. Really simple, easy to use. Suspension, oh, a bit damp there. Suspension works really well. Not wanting to change anything on the bike. It's really light, it's really flickable. I rode the RS, which is obviously the third sports version, in Italy, near Misano, around Riccione, and I was really impressed with that bike. I came away going, that's probably one of the best A2 bikes on the market. And the Tuono just carries that on, and arguably is even better than the RS because it's comfy. What a road! It even sounds good. Right, so we're going to turn around, head back up the mountain. Now bear in mind we're at like, I figure about 1200, 1500 meters. So we're losing a bit of power due to altitude. Well, that's good. That's good acceleration. We're not absolutely wringing its neck either. There's like decent drive in the middle. What a corner. It's not pegs on the floor screaming it, but you can short shift and just enjoy it. You got like there's like an airbox kind of noise, which I really sounds good. But I reckon if you put a couple of motorcyclists on this and didn't tell them it was an A2 47 horsepower, I don't think they'd work it out. Because it feels like it's got more than 47. A little safe overtake. Over the little, they're a bit damp. Quick shift is worth a mention. Nice and smooth. Just come up to this hairpin now. Clutchless back shifts, back to second. There's a few ripples there, but it's you feel it a little bit on the rear, but front was good. Not screaming it, just changing at 8. How good is that? So in the UK it's just over £6,000. And for just riding solo, it's brilliant. That's strong. How spoiled are the locals for these roads? These roads are epic. Right, where are you going? Second. Do this. All day long. The handle is really light. How agile do you want it? Just when you start to push, the rear is a little bit soft. But you've got to push on to find the limits. That is a brilliant A2 bike. I hope you enjoyed that, because I did. That was good fun.